Hi, Rabbi Fuchs. This is Mark Lennon over in Pittsburgh. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your video file onto your YouTube account. First thing you need to do is go to youtube.com. Next thing you got to do is come over here and make sure you are logged into the account that you want it to be in. For example, right now you can see my little face over here. It's because I'm using the Chrome browser and I happen to be logged in with my Mark M. Lennon at Gmail account. But here, I'm actually logged into my Vulcan Innovation at Gmail. This is the one I use for my Vulcan Center. That's Innovation Center. That's at my university. Go Vulcans. Is it true this is a rabbinical symbol? Or greeting? I've heard that it was. You got to tell me about it. All right. If you do have multiple Gmail accounts, you can easily switch accounts. For example, I mentioned this one. You can see the icons are the same. I have a professional one, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so getting back here, you want to go here to create a video and more. Just click that. You now get upload video. And it'll come with this sort of dialog box. Go ahead and select a file. And here you can see I have some already potential videos that I could load up. So what I go ahead and say, like, I don't know, hello students. And then you'll get this interface. And you can change the title, and I can write a sample upload. I'm a terrible typist for the rabbi. You can even give it a description. Here is Dr. Lennon talking to his students. Hey, in honor of you, sir, I will write shalom. All right. You can see that it's processed it, okay? And here, this is the key part here. Thumbnail, this is a neat feature about YouTube. How it appears on the front, I don't want to know. This was the default, like this. Maybe I want this one instead. That's not so great. That's okay either. Or I could even upload a picture. So here, we can get crazy here. Let's see if I can add here. I'll add the matrix. How about that? See if it works. Hey, when you're teaching online these days, you got to make it. Then it goes for the audience. Is it made for kids? Not made for kids? Well, clearly, sure. Why not? Age restrictions? Sure, that's not an option for our folks like you and I, sir. Okay, so let's see. Okay, visibility, video elements are done. Visibility, we're done. Okay, then we click on visibility, save or publish. Now here's your option, public, unlisted, or private. If you don't, especially these days in sir, we might want to think about the ability to limit comments, but we can have public, we can have unlisted, we can have private. Only you and people you choose can see your video. Here's your share link. Unlisted, anyone can stumble across it. If you want to make sure you have the ultimate visibility on things, just click public. All right. This instant premiere, let's say you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. Oh, that's catchy. This is a new feature. Thanks, Rabbi. I always learn something new when I'm teaching others. I don't know if you find that, but I always do. All right. Oh, schedule, neat. Select a date to make your video public. Oh, this is cool, especially with the teaching, or if you want to do sermons or whatever. All right. Okay, and then I think I'm ready. So then we have, let's see here. I gotta move myself. I can't see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hit publish. And now look at this. I already have the shared links, video links. So I will go ahead and video link. I'll just copy this. And I'm going to close it. And get this out of the way again. And there it is. And you can see here, I'm actually in my editing studio right now on my channel. You can see some of the other stuff I've done, like recent business plan competition where you're in. This is neat, a financial application software. I'd love to get your input on this one. I'll send that to you separately. But that's really all there is to it. In a separate video, I can show you all the tips and tricks on how to get and edit your the closed captions if you want, as well as flipping video if you ever having a problem. But if you need any help, just shoot me an email. All right, be well, sir.